Let's wire up the main control unit. Your PCB will still be connected to the chassis. As a habit, make sure the service mode is switched on right from the start. Figure 8 cable connects to the BAT-in terminals to provide a high current supply to the cartridges. Secondary trigger 2 is optional and depends on dip switch settings. This can be used if you want to have additional PIRs to activate the unit. Your 360-degree PIR will be pre-wired. Next, we will wire in the arm trigger. This lets the MCU know that the alarm is armed. Then we have the primary trigger from the alarm panel. This provides a signal from the intrusion panel that tells the MCU that the alarm is occurring. Next, we have the power input from the alarm panel's accessory terminal. This provides power through the MCU's circuit board and PIR. Now I'm wiring in the output signals that are sent to the intrusion panel. I have pre-installed Jack Fuse Atmod end-of-line resistor modules to simplify and neaten the install. These come in various values to suit your alarm panel. This one is the confirm zone used when any cartridges have fired. It activates momentarily. The bottom terminals are for the cover tamper. Next one is service. This lets you know that the service button needs to be pressed after cartridges have fired. This resets the firing sequence. And the last one is for the trouble zone. This indicates either low battery voltage or input power voltage, and also activates when service mode is switched on.
Now let's wire up our outputs from the Enforcer MCU to our intrusion panel. We have 4 zones, and as you saw from the previous video, we used all 3 pairs from one of our 6-core cables and 1 pair from our second 6-core. We have zones 4 to 8 spare on our Risco Lightsys Plus panel, so I'm going to wire tamper zone into zone 4, service into zone 5, trouble into zone 6, and confirm in zone 7. I'm now wiring up the alarm input accessory cable to the alarm's 12 volt accessory power. My common is full of other cables, so I'm going to sneak it in with the common loop wire I have installed for the outputs. We need 2 outputs from the alarm panel that switch to ground or common. To achieve this, I have wired in links from the common or ground power terminal. Your intrusion panel may have a jumper that can be set to ground for this purpose. The green wire is the arm signal, and I have installed this into output 3. Yellow is the primary trigger and will send a signal to the master control unit when the intrusion panel is in alarm. When the MCU has an arm signal, primary trigger signal, and the inbuilt 360-degree PIR activates, the cartridge firing sequence will begin. Lastly, we have connected the inline fuse to our figure 8 cable and crimped on the battery connectors. This can now be installed onto the battery terminals.